Hi, I'm Chris, a software engineer at PALO IT. Today, we're here to talk about tech. Not just how tech works, but breaking the bear in tech. Each episode, we'll be talking to a subject matter expert, grinding him or her with questions that pretty much question how tech is implemented in our daily work. Let's go! Without further ado, let me introduce to you our very first guest, Very, our very own DevOps and Cloud lead.
Hi, I'm
Today we'll be talking about infrastructure as code. So Very, is IAC code a set and forget thing? And how frequently must it be reviewed?
Set and forget? No, it is not. If you use IAC to provision your infrastructure, then I bet you must have intention to review it at a certain point, right? And how frequent it should be reviewed? Well, at least once before any deployment, especially deployment to production. But it could be more, depend on your compliance requirement. But it can be automated if, let's say, you integrate the IAC with your monitoring system.
Okay. Anyway, how do you test IAC code? And how do you ensure that the IAC configuration is the same as the infrastructure of the actual application?
Well, we call this as drift detection in IAC. And most of the IAC technology have these features. And in some advanced integration, you can even do auto remediation with drift detection. So whatever previous original configuration can be rolled back to its original state.
Moving on. So, how do we ensure that only the people with the right access get to modify the IAC code?
You're talking about access control, key, and scalability, right? Usually all of these managed externally out of IAC. A simple example, if let's say you integrate the IAC with pipeline, then your pipeline system that actually should manage all of this access control.
Okay. Hello? Hi, Very? Yeah, what is the best way to manage secrets in IAC code? And how do you ensure that they are not checked into source control?
Secret information. Generally, you should not store any secret in your IAC. If it's unavoidable, then store it in a vault or in a secret keeper. And don't forget to enable secret detection within your repository.
Fair enough. In what circumstances should you not use IAC?
Well, in generally, I will try to avoid IAC when I have to deal with random state. For example, if let's say I need to restart JVM or maybe to create a user.
Alright. Sleep tight. Hey, Very, it's 4 o'clock. Where are you going? Why are you the best person when it comes to the effectiveness of IAC?
Well, if you're talking with me now, then I believe I'm the only person that you can find to talk about IAC. And one undeniable fact is I'm a nice person.
Okay.